Oh, hi guys. Welcome once again to the training series. Now today I have a very special guest. Her name is Gina and she's all the way from Pennsylvania. Now she wants to learn something about cricket, particular batting. Now I'm going to use the Farley hang to set it up to get her on the run. Now the interesting thing about a coach or the measure of a coach is not how much knowledge that he has, it's the amount of knowledge that he can pass on and pass it on simply enough so persons can understand. Now, in this case, Gina does not know anything about cricket. And I have nearly about an hour to teach her something, so I'm going to have to restrict it to. Now, the pressure is on me to see if she learned. So I want you to stick around to see if my knowledge is passed on to her and if she learned anything. All right? So stick around. We'll just do a little warm up, like maybe a 2 times around the field here. So this is your baby for today. I have a pair of gloves. Well, this is sort of new, just for the grip. Or here, or swing it in. Which one, the right-handed or left-handed? So yeah, don't have any problem jogging, right?
No, I can jog.
All right, so jog the second one. Stretch there. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Round we go. 2, 3. Change. 2, 3. Okay. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 up. What's basic up? No, you can. I just want to know if you're like planning to learn a lot about cricket or just like.
I'd like to learn about it,
Okay.
but I'm not like an athlete, so hitting things like
Oh.
hand-eye coordination isn't
Okay.
my.
All right, no problem. Oh, let me bat first of all. I don't have, so I have to. You say you're right-handed batter, right?
I am.
Okay, so you can put the bat down. This is the handle to left foot. The handle. There we go. All right. The grip we want now. So let me stretch this out some more. So left hand, hold it like this here, and you're gonna grip here. The right hand is coming down the same way, and it's gonna rub like here. No, same way like here. We're going back over it, but rub here and hold. So I'm putting back down again. We're coming back over it. This, right? This opposite. So it's like this here.
Mm-hmm.
Get it? So the right hand is going along that vertex groove right here and slide. No, yeah, yes, you have it right now. So no, just the right. Carry it right up to here.
Mm-hmm.
Good. No, I wonder if you have it the wrong way. Sorry.
This way.
Yeah, that's the way you're supposed to have it. Yes. And the left hand now, hold it up. Yeah, this is how. So this is how it goes. Right? That's one. So we're gonna put it down and take it up. One go now. Right hand first. Nice. Left hand. Good. The thing about the right hand now, you don't hold it tight. You hold it very loosely because it's like that's the pivot point, right? So loosely. No, it's still not loose. Yeah. So when you lift now, it's like this. Door handle. Sorry, let me hold. So loose, yeah, loose. So this is the one that holds it tight. So that's the grip. You're good now. So we're gonna hold again. We're doing what we call a lift. So hold it now. Right. The lift is basically top. So the left hand remain like a pivot here. Right. That's good. And then we'll do at the look now, which is looking down where the bowling machine would be. But when you're looking now, you're not gonna look this way, you're gonna look this way. So look at me now. Good. So it's the same. Look at me now. Top, like that. So you're looking down like you're looking at Colleen. Yeah. That's it. That's how you want it now. We're gonna see how we can work. So I'm gonna get some balls load up to you now and see where you're at, where I can adjust. I don't want to adjust without knowing where you're at first, okay? All right, it's coming to you now. Okay, I can work with that. All right. It's coming in. It's every 6 seconds. All right. It's coming. Okay. 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 She's doing good. Not bad. So I have to work on the back lift for her. So the back lift is not 100, but she has a good on-drive play, which is natural for new players. So that's the last one? All right, so we're gonna work on some technique now and see if she gets better. So this is what happened now. So what happened now? So when the ball is fed to you, because I slow it down, once you see the ball coming, you start lifting this up. It gives you enough time to swing. So if you're up early, the ball comes, you're up, you can swing. So do you understand that part?
Am I swinging from here?
Yeah, it doesn't matter where. It's just that I'm starting with the swing first, then I'm gonna do a foot movement. But you have a good contact with the ball. But number one here, remember loose this so you don't have all the fingers, just these two on it first. Upon contact now, that's when you grab. Let me hold 1 sec. So it's like 2 fingers up to keep the pivot. So it's like, you understand? So when you connect, that's when you hold. Because this is just basically the support. This is me now. So up. This is up, right?
Yeah.
All right. Come ball. Swing. Come back a little. I want to give it a better swing. So up. Swing. That's where you get the swing from. Up again. Got me? So once it up, if you're late like this, it's take too long to swing. So we go again. So let me try that with a couple balls. No, this way. Turn the bat. Yeah. Swing. Toof. Nice. Up again. Good. Yes. Muscle memory. Up again. Yeah. Good. Oh, you're going out the park now. Up. All right. You have one more. Swing. Good. All right. We're going 5 at a time. 5 now. Up. Remember that muscle memory. Give me the elbow. Nice. That's a good swing there because it come up on your head. Up. Woo. Good. Up again. Nice. Yeah, you're getting good at the timing there. That's the one you move forward to. You realize? Yeah. I think we have one more. Don't let it kill you. All right. We have more. Have more. One more and then you take a break. One more round. Yeah. Woo, that's a good hit. That's a good hit. Woo, Colleen must be proud of you on that. Good. Wow. There's one more. You're celebrating too early. All right. No, you're doing excellent. And you look like you catch on very quickly. So let us see. Remember, you have to loosen this here.
Yeah.
And you tighten it when the contact is made. So when you go through, let me show you a swing technique now. So when you go loosen here and go through, you finish here. So it's a matter of contact, last minute swing, finish here. So you don't do a back problem. Let me see if we can do that first. So no, remember we want this to be not too far. Shoulder width in. Mean this. Like shoulder width, the feet apart. Come in a little closer. Little closer. Little closer. Good. So
Oh my God.
no, it's one movement, but so we go. Just like golf. Do you know golf? You play golf?
No, I play nothing.
Not even tennis?
Nothing.
Wow. Okay, no problem.
Yoga.
Yoga. Okay. So look at the ball. Eyes on ball. So we go contact. Miss. It's a still ball. You're not supposed to miss. Go again. The ball is not moving and you miss. I don't know how you do that. All right. No. Okay. Come. Right, show. Good. Good. That's the shot that you're good at. Good. Good contact there. You're losing a little discipline. The bat face not going to the ground again. Good. The face of your bat start going up now. So every now and then you have to check because you were like, I think something like this. You started here, but So it's always this. So if you don't even remember, you don't have to look down, you just feel here. If it's not like you feel flat. So you say, okay, once you feel it, okay, it's good. You know, that's why cricketers are crazy, because they have so much things to think about. Let me. Good. Good. Here. Oh, that one lost. Okay, move this out the way before you kill me. Yeah, I like the swing now. You're getting better at it. Good. Let me still carry it back there. Oh, good one. Good adjustment there. Just remember to feel the bat if it's facing the ground. Good swing. Come on, Gina. Good. That's better. That's much better. You lost two of the balls. Good. Good shot. Nice. Whoa, if you hit a couple of like that, they're gonna last. Woo. Remember, don't change your grip. Aye. Okay. One more coming. Good. I'm gonna give Scott a. Do you want another round, a bonus round?
I'm dead.
Oh, you did. Okay, good. All right, no worries.
So this is actually a real.
It's plastic, so it's light. The real cricket bat is much heavier.
What is a real cricket bat made out of? Is it wood?
Willow. Yeah, wood.
It is wood.
Yes, willow. There we go. Yep. That's the real thing. Whoa. Gina and Colleen are right there. Don't hit them. There we go. We have two to go. Can you send one over there? Oh, out of the park. Last one. Ah! All right. Colleen, are you gonna count who wins? So, okay. So your first cut. Maybe give him some room, Gina, because he might need to move laterally at some point. And the one is coming up. Scott is one and just right here. Oh, all right. Gina, you're next now. You're coming. All right. Oh! Whoa! All right, Scott, you're next. One more for you. All right. Two, he's showboating. You're next, Gina. Come up. Hey, yeah. All right. We'll give you three. Oh, yeah. One more. Come on, Gina. Come, you must catch one. You have to catch one. Ah. All right, sorry. Come. There we go. I'll give you three. I'm gonna join the party shortly. Come, Gina. Don't chicken out, Gina. Give her one. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let me join the party because I'm representing for you, Gina, because Scott is whipping you. All right, my turn. One, and I go back. Forward. Sorry. No, Scott, no. It's me. I'm going back. I'm just doing a little drill with it. Oh. One more for me. All right. Your turn. One. You again. All right, it's me. I just always make it a little bit exercising. Here we go. Me? Oh, sorry. All right. Couple to go. There we go. Scott. There we go. All right, the last two is me. Maybe you have the last one, Scott. There we go. Well done. And that is it, guys. Let me know if I get my coaching diploma or my coaching degree. I'm out.